Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by signing into OneDrive and confirming you have enough storage. This ensures files sync without interruption. Next, update your OS and the OneDrive app so features and fixes are current. Choose the folders you want protected: desktop, documents, pictures, and any custom project folders, because backing only select folders saves space and reduces sync time. Once done, open OneDrive settings to prepare for the exact folder selections and permissions you'll use in the next steps. You now configure folder sync in OneDrive settings by navigating to Backup and clicking Manage Backup. That's how you select desktop, documents, and pictures for continuous protection. Enable Files on Demand to prevent local disk bloat. This makes placeholders until you open a file, which then downloads. Make deliberate exclusions, temporary, cache, and system folders, so you avoid unnecessary uploads and quota use. While doing this, check sync status and ensure selective sync on other devices does not conflict with your chosen folder set. You finish by confirming the initial sync completed and watching the OneDrive icon for a green check, which means files are safely in the cloud. Test a restore, open a backed up file, or use version history to recover an older copy so you know recovery works. If something goes wrong, pause and resume syncing or sign out and sign back in. These quick resets clear common glitches. Make sure your network is stable and that file names aren't too long. And monitor storage so OneDrive doesn't stop syncing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.